morning, guys. Saving with Shay. We're here at CVS. I got here a little later today. It's 8:30 right now. Pharmacy is still closed. So I'm hoping this will be quick. I have a good 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have a good 7 deals to share with y'all today. I don't have a ton of coupons. There's a lot of awesome digitals that are going to make for some really great deals. But if you're new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, I'm Shay. Subscribe, make sure that you smash the like button, support your girl, and of course make sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss out on a video. So without further ado, let's get to these deals. Alright guys, so this first deal is, we have to do this deal first, y'all. It's on CoverGirl. It is either buy 2 get back 5 or buy 3 get back 9. It's a tier, so it's either one or the other, and it's a one and done. And so for this, of course, you already know, we're gonna grab these cheapy pencils down here at $4.99. We're gonna grab 3 of them. We'll be using the $3 printable right here from coupons.com. Now there's also a digital that you might still have. I used mine last week. Gonna stack that with a 3 off of 10 CRT as well as a $3 CRT that we're all getting. We're just gonna bring that down to what? Free. Plus, we're gonna get back the 9, making that a $9 moneymaker. So, and even if you don't have the 3 off of 10 cosmetic CRT, it's still a really awesome deal. You're gonna grab 3 pencils. You'll use $3 printable or digital. Plus $3 CRT that we're all getting. You'll pay $2.97 and you'll get back the 9. So it'll still be like a $6.03 moneymaker, which is so awesome. So either way it goes, it's an awesome deal that you cannot pass up. So this is such an awesome deal to start the day off with. This next deal is on the L'Oreal El Vibe. It's priced at 2 for $9. It's also buy 2 get back 4, limit of 1. So for this, I'm going to use this 4 off of 2 hang tag that I got from here. It's been scanning for me. The only ones I've actually gotten are the Dream Lens and the purple one down there, the volume filler. But it has been working for me, so I'll end up paying 5 and then getting back 4, making them only 50 cents each. Alright, next up is the Dove. It's buy 1 get 1 50% off. It's also buy 2 get back 4. They're priced at $4.19 here at my store. The second one is going to be $2.60, so your total is going to come to $7.79 for both of them. Now for coupons, I do have a 3 off of 2 that expired yesterday. I don't think my cashier's going to take it, so I do have the printables. I'll pop up who I got the IP from. But I'll use 2 of those, which is still going to save me $3 anyways. So you'll end up paying $4.79 and then getting back the 4, making them only 39 cents each. Right, so here is what this transaction looks like. I went ahead and did the L'Oreal, the Dove, and the CoverGirl on this transaction. All of the coupons I used all went through. There goes the Dove at the very top. There goes the CoverGirl, the El Vibe. I also had the L'Oreal dollar glitch as well, which basically makes that deal free. There goes the 3 off of 10 cosmetic CRT, and then there goes the $3 CRT off of the CoverGirl we all got. So I wrote a total of, what is that, $8.75, and then we got back a total of $17 altogether. So it nets these 3 deals at an $8.25 moneymaker. Alright guys, I know this is a deal that everybody is probably running for on the Olay. I'm hoping I find enough in stock though. They barely have any, because I know a lot of people did it last week with the Ibotta rebates. I'm not sure if there's Ibotta rebates still available for Olay, but they are 2 for $14. For this, we're going to grab the 2. We'll be using a 5 off of 2 coupon from P&G Good Every Day. I did print it home this morning. I also ordered a set. I'll pop up the person I got them from, and then it's going to stack with this 5 off of 2 digital as well. So you're going to pay 4 and get back 4, making them absolutely free, you guys. And then the other deal that I'm going to grab over here is going to be the Axe Body Wash. Axe's buy 1 get 1 50% off. It's also buy 2 get back 3. So the first one is $6.49. The second one is $3.25. That total is $9.74. And then we're going to utilize this digital on the app, which is $7.50 off of 2. That's going to bring your total down to you paying $2.24, you guys, and getting back the 3, making this a 76-cent moneymaker. Okay, now really quick, I have a 5 off of 25, is it? Let me see, hold on. Yeah, I have a 4 off of 25 body wash CRT. So I'm going to see if I can add something to get me closer to 25, because I'm not close enough. and then it's gonna end up making us a money maker, you guys. So I'll show you what I end up finding. All right, so I was looking for a body wash to add, and I'm gonna add these. I usually will get these sometimes as a filler. I'll get the Arm & Hammer one as a filler, and so I'm gonna grab one of these. So let me show you. So here is what my 4 off of 25 body wash CRT deal is gonna look like, our transaction. After all my coupons, CRTs, and digitals, I should pay $3.24 and get back $7, making us a $3.76 moneymaker. Alright, so here is my body wash transaction. Everything worked out pretty amazing. There goes the Olay at the top, there goes the Axe, there goes that the cheaper, what is it, Power Stick body wash. All of my coupon, well, I only had one paper coupon for the Olay. There goes the digital for the Axe, there goes the digital for the Olay, our 4 of 25 CRT, and then we went ahead and added all the cents, all the percents, because figure why not? I don't use them, and I don't ever use them anymore. I rolled a $2 extra care buck, paid $109 subtotals. We paid $309 out of pocket for, what is that, 5 items. And then we got back a total of $7 and an extra care buck. So it makes this a $3.91 moneymaker. All right, guys. So last but not least is going to be on the Gillette Venus. It is buy one, get one 50% off. And it's also buy two, get back 8. So the first one is $10.29 and the second one is going to be $5.15. Now I'm going to grab 1 men and 1 women. The total was $15.44. We're going to use $3 digitals. There's one for each of them. We'll pay $9.44 out of pocket, but we'll get back that $8 in ECBs, making them only 72 cents each. All right, so I am back at home, and I did not want to forget to show you my receipts, but this is the Gillette deal with CoverGirl. This one worked out pretty good. There goes all of our coupons for the CoverGirl. There goes the Gillette and the Venus digitals, and then we used the $13 from the Epic Beauty event. I don't know why it adjusted my CRT down versus the extra care buck, but either way it goes, it's I guess the same. And then we got back a total of 17 in extra care bucks. So we paid 13 and we got back 17. So this one was a $4 moneymaker. And then this one right here, I just went ahead and did the Olay and the Axe body wash again. And this one worked out perfect. Olay, at first, I didn't think that it was going to come off. And then once she totaled it out, it came off. So I just want to kind of mention that just in case you don't think it's working or it's coming off. Just wait till they hit total first. And so, yeah, so there's that. So that worked out perfect. And then I paid $6.33 out of pocket. And then I got back $7. So this was a 67-cent moneymaker for this deal. Here is our complete haul for today. It looks small, but I love the Olay. This was such an awesome moneymaker, you guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And this is and literally, I honestly didn't even want to go this week, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. I've had this migraine all morning and I did not want to go. And I'm so glad that I did. I ordered some more CoverGirl coupons, so when I get those, I'll go ahead and finish off the CoverGirl across the board. All right, so everything you see here retails $109.65. I had $8 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out of pocket down to $29.65, and then I walk away with $48 in extra care bucks. It makes everything easy here, free plus an $18.35 moneymaker, y'all. So we made almost 20 bucks for all of this, which is awesome, right? And our tax was $7.26, and so even after tax we still make $11.09, which is just awesome. Other than that, you guys, what's your favorite deal this week? Mine is definitely the Olay because it's free. Like, when do we ever really get free Olay? I just wish that the rebates were on Ibotta, but maybe, just maybe, they'll pop back up for us. Hopefully, let's cross our fingers for either the Olay or the Axe on Ibotta. That would be awesome. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.